friends. Sweet. Today sorry, we're next to the road, so it's kind of loud, but I'll be showing you how to spray paint your MP7 or any airsoft gun of that matter. So you're first going to want to find all the spots that can lead to internal spots and just cover them with tape. Any tape works. You're going to want to put the mag in so that the internals in the grip are covered. And then you're just going to put it down and spray paint the base on. So the base that I'm going to spray paint is this. So I'll spray paint it and then I'll show you when I'm done. Sort of a lighter tanner green, a dark brown, and a darker jungle green. So these are the. Let's start. So I'm done with the base. Just spray a little bit of the base on. That's going to be one big solid color. And then you're going to start to want doing your designs. This is, I just tried it out on this cardboard. You want to get some leaves or whatever. And just put it on and spray. And you can start adding on your design. You can have like the little stencils on there, leaves or whatever. Just add more on there. Some strips of green. You get a little bit of brown, but you want to do this from higher. Remember, this is for jungle camo. Jungle and I guess forest camo would work too, but with some streaks of brown on there, that would work. And you're going to make sure everything works. Selector switch. Grip. Looking good. The cocking thing. The bullet release. That's looking good. The stock looks good. And the mag release. All looks good. Now we have to shoot it. It works. We're good. Alright guys, thanks for watching.